it's at 2:45. It's a little bit after lunch. So he said the guy's getting ready to back out to go ahead and pull in door 11 when he comes out. So hopefully we'll get loaded early. We'll see. Well, I borrowed that guy's air hose that hooks up to this. Put air in the tire because I got one tire on the passenger side. It's got 2 nails in it, or screws. We got right here, and then right here. This guy's doing the same thing. Loaded and driving. We got a load to Greenville, Tennessee to Nutra cherry farm. So we got some seed, but we only got 15,000 pounds of seed. So we got to deliver on Friday, the second, first come, first serve. So we got about 18 hours according to GPS. So let's drive. Sometimes when you're driving, you get to see a lot of nice stuff and video a lot of stuff. Sometimes when you're driving, you catch a video you didn't plan on getting, like this tight corner right here. There's an 18-wheeler coming around this curve, and I slowed it down. You see his back tires is over the yellow line. He almost hits me. Tried to stop at the rest area or the Tennessee Welcome Center, but it was full. I didn't want to park on the side, and I don't want to park on the side of the off-ramp. So found us a Walmart. This side is closed. Have to walk all the way to the end, and have to walk past the garden center all the way to where my truck is. We got our clock reset. Woke up, ate, washed off a little bit. Still at Walmart. Already did our pre-trip. Let's go. Stopped at Love's here and go and put some air in our tire. Go ahead and get some fuel and death, get some points, and then keep on driving. Yeah, so the dispatcher already sent me dispatch on the reload. Basically, the load I'm on now is the one from Missouri to Greenville, North Carolina, which is on the border of the ocean, like, you know, beach. And then he just sent me just now when I dropped this one off. I still got like 10 hours of driving there. But when I drop this one off, then I have another pickup, North Carolina, Greenville, North Carolina, back home to Williamson, South Carolina, which is where the home base is. And this drop off on Tuesday at a Walgreens distribution. Well, the plan is to stop at the Flying J. I'll use the microwave to make my food and get the truck washed at the Blue Beacon while we're on our 30-minute break. So we'll see how that works out and see if they're busy. Hopefully they're not busy at all. It's the longest truck wash line I ever seen in my life. But we got coffee brewing. Right on time. We got our Hot Pockets, pizza and salad. And try it out and see how I like it. And right here you notice a big old 18-wheeler blocking the whole entire highway. No wonder we had backed up traffic. Everybody was trying to go on the shoulder. I was trying to tell everybody to get over in front of me. They just wanted to keep looking at the truck. Well, we're up. This is the new company, CK Logistics. Matches my outfit, but Let's get some coffee and an egg sandwich. Do our pre-trip and go drop this off and go home after the next pickup. Made it here. Man, there's blue dust all over my feet. When I got out, it was like, whoosh. Let's see what they got for us. Go ahead and open our doors back into the dock right next to the other truck, he said. Just totes of seed. Got unloaded. Let's close our doors and go to the next pickup. We got our axles locked because we're on gravel. Boss man said when you hit gravel, just turn them on. So, boss man says is what boss man gets. That's why you see this. Well, that was a nice lady. I didn't videotape the guard shack because they got a bunch of cameras and stuff here and everything, so some people are kind of weird when you do stuff like that. But she said go to the stop sign, make a left, building 22, and get out of truck and walk to the shipping and receiving office and take my pickup number there. And she said usually they don't load early because my appointment said 1:30, but it's 10:25, so she said they must be in a good mood. They're gonna go ahead and take me. So let's go. Yeah, come tell me some good news. Well, the guy said that about to head out as soon as the light turned green. So he came and asked me, hey, do you got a strap? I said, yeah, I got one. So I pulled the little lever and told him to open the door and get a strap. So he got one. He said when the light turned green, you're good to go. And the light just turned green. So now we got to go all the way back over there to the shipping shipping office where we came in at to go get our paperwork. Well, that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Always stay blessed, and we'll see you on the next one. Just brought this load home. Somebody else is gonna deliver this load, and had to reupholstery the sun visor of the Volkswagen that was peeling down. And then after that, just have the wife cook some dinner and got some barbecue ribs. So we're gonna enjoy. Have a good one. See you later.